All right, hey guys, Mr. Gucci here, and this is me explaining to you how this lab is going to work. Lab for measuring with conversions. Okay, the objective of this lab is to determine the length of various household objects using only the length and width of a dollar bill or other item. All right, I should say that, or other item, because I did mention in class. For example, I am going to use this calculator right here to measure the length and width of different things around my house. I'm going to measure the height of my front door in calculators. I'm going to measure the height of my fridge in calculators. I am going to measure the length of my kitchen table here in calculators. All right, so maybe my front door will be 10.5 calculators tall. Then I'm going to use dimensional analysis to figure out the actual height of my front door. Because if I know how long my calculator is or how long my dollar bill is or whatever, I can figure out the actual length of things around the house. So that's your first step in this lab. Your first step in this lab is to get yourself a flat rectangular object that you will use to measure different items around the house. Me, I prefer a calculator, okay? Maybe you can use a cell phone, all right? Maybe you can use a dollar bill or a piece of paper. Use something flat and rectangular whose dimensions you either know or you could look up. For example, if you use a dollar bill, you know that a dollar bill is 6.12 inches long and 2.61 inches tall. So if you measure your front door and find my front door is 14.4 dollar bills tall, all right, then you can use dimensional analysis to convert it into inches because you know that $1 bill is 6.12 inches. Okay, so that's your first job, to figure out an object you would like to use to measure the length of different things. It should be flat, it should be preferably rectangular, it should be something whose dimensions you can either look up, like you could look up, hey, what's the height of a Galaxy S10 phone? All right, you can look that up. Or what is the length of a TI-30X2S calculator? And if you can't look it up, maybe just get a ruler and like take the measurements of the calculator. Okay, this calculator is 15.12-ish centimeters long or inches long, whatever you want to use, okay? So that's your first step. Get a flat rectangular object that you can use to take measurements and record it in this first data table here, okay? I am going to go with my TI-30X2S calculator. Okay, what's the length of this object in either centimeters or inches? Your call. The length of this calculator is 15.21 centimeters. Okay, how do I know? Because I used a tape measure to measure it. Okay, cool. So that's it. The only limit on the object that you choose is it can't be a ruler itself, okay? No cheating. You can't use an actual ruler in this activity. It has to be something else that is not a ruler, okay? There you go, guys. Good luck. My next video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this calculator to measure the height of something, okay? There you go.